Hello and welcome, Prospect Global fam. If you're new here, please subscribe to Prospect Global for more immigration updates. This video turns our attention to Louisiana, where sweeping new immigration laws take effect August 1, 2024. These laws introduce strict enforcement, making it a crime for public employees to interfere with federal immigration agents. State and local agencies must now verify the legal status of anyone applying for public benefits, like unemployment or food stamps. The aim ensure public resources go only to legal residents and citizens. For public employees, especially in cities like New Orleans, the stakes are higher than ever, with threats of arrest for non-compliance. For families seeking assistance, the process will become more rigorous and scrutinized. These laws mark Louisiana as a leader in aggressive state-level immigration enforcement. The changes will reshape daily life, from government offices to neighborhood streets. Louisiana is entering a new era, one with real consequences for residents, officials, and communities alike. Louisiana's new laws are part of a national trend, states stepping into immigration enforcement. Traditionally, immigration was a federal issue, but now states are adopting federal-style enforcement on their own turf. Political science professor Ed Shervin notes this is a reversal. State leaders are now driving stricter policies, echoing federal priorities. Louisiana's laws mirror those in other states, aiming for a tougher, more uniform approach nationwide. The groundwork was laid during the Trump era when local police began partnering with ICE. Nearly a dozen Louisiana agencies now formally assist federal immigration enforcement. The line between local policing and federal immigration work is blurring, making these policies a matter of state law, not just local choice. This marks a new phase in American immigration policy, one where state and federal roles are more intertwined than ever. The effects of these laws are already visible in Louisiana communities. Increased cooperation with ICE means more federal agents and more enforcement actions, raids, arrests, and heightened fear. In New Orleans, the story of Mandana Kashanian stands out, a 64-year-old Iranian immigrant, here since 1978, who overstayed her visa but complied with authorities for decades. Despite her long-standing ties and compliance, she was recently detained by ICE at her home, shocking her neighborhood. Her case highlights how even long-time residents with deep roots can be swept up by stricter enforcement. The new laws don't just target recent arrivals or those with criminal records. The net is much wider. For many, Kashanian's story is a symbol of the personal cost of these policies. The impact is not abstract. It's felt in the lives of neighbors, families, and entire communities. Louisiana's new approach is changing what it means to belong and who gets to stay. Louisiana's immigration crackdown is unfolding amid deep national division. Polls show Americans are split: half support using state resources for deportation, half oppose it. Supporters say these laws protect resources and uphold the rule of law. Opponents warn of racial profiling, family separation, and a climate of fear. Cases like Mandana Kashanian's fuel debate over whether these policies are just or needlessly harsh. For immigrants, the new laws bring uncertainty. For officials, new risks and responsibilities. The debate is no longer distant, it's playing out in Louisiana's neighborhoods and city halls. As these laws take effect, their true impact will be measured in the lives they change, for better or worse. What do you think about Louisiana's new immigration laws? Have you seen their impact in your community, or do you have a story to share? Your perspective matters. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Prospect Global for more in-depth coverage and thoughtful analysis. Join the conversation in the comments below. Let's keep the dialogue going.